high.
L is for lion with the mighty roar, marching proudly on the jungle floor. L is for leaf, floating down slow from the tall tree to the grass below. L is for lamp, shining so bright, glowing softly through the night. L is for lollipop, sweet and round, colors any fun to be found. L is for ladder, climbing up high, step by step, reaching the sky. L is for lake, calm and wide, ducks go swimming side by side. L is for lemon, so sour and fun, pucker your lips, now run. Is for ladybug, tiny and red, with black little spots on her head. L is for lock, keeping things tight with a shiny key, it feels just right. L is for lock, from a big tree, great for sitting or climbing with glee. Laugh and learn with letter L, Cupcake fun, we do it well.